Which way do we take off? Oh, it's just cross. We just choose.
How do you want to do it?
I'll go right to left. Taxing out! Don't forget, we don't have to go crazy far.
So what paint scheme did it have on it before you did?
The same as rain.
Wow, that's a lot of work.
Yeah! I was just telling Ray, I would not do it again.
Oh, that
That was
It's a long time. How it took you a week, right?
they get paint rash pretty easy, so I can only imagine you have to treat that.
I put like 3 or 4 coats.
Oh, so you should be good then.
When I am still good.
All right, Frank, you ready? All right.
Timer cleared.
Take it off!
Gear up.
Oh, that's right. We got a crosswind. That's why it feels so weird. Whoa, trainer.
Now you're just showing off.
It is a bit hard to see though.
That's the whole point of that scheme.
Apparently.
I don't think it's that difficult. Certainly not when it's up in the air.
Got a little heli here too, Frank. Whoa, maybe not.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
And the trainer's down.
Look over the trainer. Dodgeball. So Frank, I'm gonna pitch up and then come behind you.
The good news is that the velocity of the two of you are flying, the accident won't last long.
Alright, let's see if I can set up this right now.
Okay.
Oh, now you're really going to show off.
It's nice to know that you can still do evasive maneuvers in high alpha. That was a little freaky, but whatever. That trainer is everywhere.
But he's high at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, it keeps changing.
Time remaining 1.
Oh my God. Guys, are we going to stick to a pattern here or what?
Yeah, we should stick to the
No, we are.
No, but
What is
They were going against us.
Gene, what pattern are you gonna stick to?
Got to stick to something.
You don't know, can you
doesn't
pick
know.
one?
Come on now, pick
Can you
one.
collide? Yes, but if you come in, so can you just stick clockwise like we are? Because see right there, that's not good. I don't like that. Let's pick a pattern and stick to it. I don't want to midair today. No, seriously, this is not funny, dude. No, apparently you don't, because we're still doing what we just agreed not to do.
yeah, but he's not the only one flying.
I know, but still, you got to teach the trainer to do it.
No, I just want to pick a agree on
I know, Frank. May not happen.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Well, maybe not.
not landing. This fair.
Because I can't even join up with you because I'm worried about hitting.
Okay.
Down.
On the run.
Okay. Oh.
Just leave the fuel in here for now. It's not cool.
I just want to agree on something. I'm not trying to be mean. I just want to agree. Alright.
One of you is done. Or
No,
timer's done.
Timer's done. The plane's fine. I got a 5800. I can go for like 8 minutes.
I got a 155.
So you guys have convinced me. I need to just find a good priced battery to try it. They seem to fly fine.
Yeah, they don't. It doesn't affect it.
1 minute
So you say it
over.
doesn't affect it, and here it's like, no.
High alpha formation. Wow, the wind is weird up there.
He's floating down.
That's full up for me right now.
Really?
Yeah,
I'm full up too.
it's just sinking.
Try that as a landing approach.
I have. It works.
Landing?
It works really good.
Oh, with high alpha.
Yeah, and then if you just keep your speed up enough to keep it from dropping too fast, then it's perfect. Barely any rollout. The crazy thing is, I don't like flying this plane fast anymore. I like going around slow.
That's maybe too much.
Whoa!
Jeez.
A little too much.
You went from high alpha to 3D flight.
The 3D flight, just like that. Yeah,
Oh man, I'm gonna try to stay high.
I thought you were going to do a hill slide.
I almost did. The gyro went crazy. It's like, what's it doing?
He's pointed straight up, but it's going back.
But it's going back. I don't know what to do. The wind is making it hard to do anything.
There's not much. Well, there's not any wind.
It's
down
cross. It's just cross. All right, Frank, I'm doing a pass from the left. Been flying so slow this whole time. I got to get some speed.
And both of you have 40 feet.
Mine's a 35C, but it's 5,800.
3 minutes over.
It's still happy.
What's going on over there?
Oh, his voltage is too low. It's like, oh, so it's yelling at him. Choose a direction.
Almost the wind's pretty much completely crossed.
Yeah.
Your choice. Whoa. I thought you were about to do something fancy again with 3D.
No. Starts yelling at you, you hit your voltage cutoff, right?
4 minutes over.
God, it doesn't really, you just got to choose a direction and land. Almost want to kind of land across on the runway.
No, come on now.
Well,
You can do
start
better
out
than that.
cross.
If anything, I think you guys should do opposing landings. Landing from each end of the runway
From one.
and meet in the middle.
There you go, Frank. Nice.
Well,
Almost, what the hell? What the?
shit!
What was that?
I'm sorry, sir. That's a 3 out of 10.
The heck, Frank?
I thought I was in the
Gear down.
runway.
No.
No.
You're blending in with the,
This camera's
We appreciate you moving the rocks around, but I don't think it's so great for your airplane.
Oh man.
Alright, sorry.
Oh,
It's a 2 out of 10.
oh, God, that was horrible. That was horrible. That was horrible. All right, Frank, you're redeemed. You're redeemed, Frank.
5